That is roughly, best I guess, from this weird mark in the road, 90 meters from the marker at the top of Fisk Knob, and the arrow on the marker points right straight at me. So maybe we have it. And I better get out of the middle of the road or I'm going to get run over. Alright, mateys. We'll call that 3.5 of Fisk Knob. I said I was going to be done for the day, but I just had to go look at this marker in the road. I don't know if it's a marker or what it is. So now I don't know where the guy with the metal detector went, but I wanted to kind of talk to him. We'll see. Time to have another cinnamon. You know, they last a long time. Alright, mateys. Fair winds and smiles. May God bless. Talk to you soon. Oh, also, thumbs up. I keep reminding myself to ask that. Supposedly it's important. I don't know. Thanks, mateys. Talk to you soon.